Hello everyone! So, it's time for the first big project in C++. So, take a look at what we got here. Welcome to the flashcards program. The computer will select a random number from 1 to 100. You should know how to do random numbers from the last video. The computer selected 63. Okay, enter a number between 1 and 100. I don't know, I'll enter 25. And I'll hit enter. And you see what it did? 63 plus 25 is 88. 63 plus minus 25 is 38. 63 times 25 is 1,575. 63 divided by 25 is 2.52. So let's run it again. And you'll see, it is in fact a different random number. And you know what? I'll do 21 this time instead of 23. And look, 70, 28, and calculates it all out. So, what you're going to do with this program is you need to A, know how to do cout so that you can actually tell me what's happening in the rules. You need to know how to use a cin because we have to type in our own answer. You know how to do a random number. And you also need to know how to, obviously know how to convert these numbers into strings for them to show up. So basically, you're going to take a random number that the computer makes, and you're going to, know how to set a random number in a variable. You're going to set your own variable as well, because you're going to type in your answer. And then that random number and the number that you entered are going to make these math equations. And that's it. You're just going to give these little flashcards. That's the big project. And I guarantee you, I have shown you in these previous videos how to use a cin. I guarantee you, you know how to use a cout. I guarantee you, I have shown you how to convert strings to integers and integers to strings. I guarantee you, I've shown you how to do a random number. And a truly random number, not one that's going to be the same thing every time. So, I want you to make that code, okay? So, when you make that code, save it, submit it, and you're good to go. This is not a step-by-step, but I guarantee you, every single thing you see here has been done in the previous 4 assignments. And it's just up to you to figure out how to do it. And much like coding, there's really no right or wrong way. There's multiple ways you can do it. But, it is what it is. I will be available for you to ask questions, but I'm not going to tell you how to code it. This is a you figure it out on yourself situation. So, everyone have fun, have a great time. You have an entire week to make this, okay? So, see ya. Have a great day. Remember to submit it, and see you next week, where we're going to start going into some logic. We're going to start doing some loops and some conditionals, okay? So we're going to start having multiple possible answers out of an outcome.